Welcome back to my channel. So, para sa mga hindi pa nakakapag-subscribe, mag-subscribe na and like this video after watching. Okay, so what we will be discussing is finding the solutions or identifying if the ordered pair is a solution of the given linear equation in two variables. Okay, let's start with the ordered pair 2, 3. Is 2, 3 a solution of 2x plus y equals 7? So, what we're going to do is do the process of substitution. So, just like in basketball, when I say substitution, nagpapalitan yung players, hindi ba? So, ganun din po yung gagawin natin. So, given the ordered pair 2, 3, so, if this is an ordered pair, therefore, this is the value for x, and this is the value for y. So after identifying the value, so let's put it here. So if your x is 2 and your y is 3, what we're going to do is to substitute the values of the variables to the given linear equation. So let's write this here. 2x plus y equals 7. Now, when I say substitution, papalitan lang po natin yung value niya para dito, value ni y na ganito. So, since may katabing value or may katabing number si x or may numerical coefficient si x, ibig sabihin, yung number na ipapalit natin kay x dito, i-multiply natin kay 2. Okay? So, ito siya. Ayan. So, papalitan ko siya ng red. So, yung your x is 2. So, yung x dito, papalitan mo ng 2. Tapos, si y, papalitan mo lang ng 3. Okay? Then, you just solve. So, 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. Plus 3, is equal to 7. Now, if you add this 2, 7 is equal to 7. Now, kung yan ay equal, ibig sabihin, 2, 3 is a solution. Okay? So, kapag ang lumabas dito ay, let's say, 8, tapos is 8 equal to 7, therefore, hindi. So, false. Pag false yon, ibig sabihin, hindi siya solution. So, paano po ba natin nasasabi na solution siya? Ibig po sabihin, when we are to graph this line, yung line niya dadaan sa 2, 3. Or yung 2, 3, part nung line. Kaya siya masasabing solution. Okay? Let us have another example. Okay, let's have number 2. Is 5, negative 1 a solution of y is equal to x minus 4? So, same process will be done. First, let us identify the x and the y values in the ordered pair. So, this is your x and this is your y. So, if your x is 5 and your y is negative 1, papalitan lang natin yung x and y dun sa equation. So, let us copy the equation. Y is equal to x minus 4. So, your y is negative 1. So, you put negative 1 here. Your x is 5. So, 5 minus 4. So, isolve mo lang yung part na pwedeng isolve. So, ito, copy mo lang kasi wala ka namang isosolve dyan. 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Now, kung tig-isang digit na lang po yan, then that's the time na you have to compare the two. Now, is negative 1 equal to 1? No. So, hindi sila equal. So, kapag hindi equal, therefore, hindi solution si 5 negative 1 nung given na linear equation. So, ano po ibig sabihin ng not a solution? Ibig po sabihin yan, kapag ginraph po natin yung equation na to, yung line na yon hindi dadaan sa 5 negative 1. Or meaning to say, si 5 negative 1, hindi siya part ng line ni y equals x minus 4.